Hello everyone. So here we are looking into climate justice or women's unique connection with the environment. It is reflecting what it means to live ethically, responsibly, healthy manner in consonance with nature. अभी तक हमने देखा कि COP29 मीटिंग रिसेंटली हुई इन बाकू बट स्टिल हम अग्रीमेंट पे नहीं रीच कर पाए रिगार्डिंग द क्लाइमेट फाइनेंस एस्पेक्ट. So we can just think about here for a second कि how many women leaders have been part of this because हम discuss कर रहे हैं women's unique connection with the environment. So there have been different authors, women authors, few women leaders जिन्होंने बात करी और हम बोल सकते हैं बहुत रियलिस्टिक बात करी. इट माइट बी पॉसिबल एक ये सोल्यूशन हम बोल सकते हैं सजेस्ट कर सकते हैं कि इफ देर आर मोर वुमेन लीडर्स इन द क्लाइमेट डिस्कशंस there might be a solution that we can arrive at. So there are different authors like Amitav Ghosh is there who argues that nature does not need humans to stand up and defend it. We can confront the crisis not by trying to save the planet but by listening to it. And यही सेम आइडियोलॉजी या आइडिया हम बोल सकते हैं हैज बीन at the core of mission life. Again, women as nurturers, they have a connect with the nature also. They look at or their perspective is such, we can say. So they can help in fighting the climate change through nature connectedness. Another important author we can talk about is Prerna Singh Bindra. She's played important role in lobbying with the governments on conservation issues and in her book also, which is The Vanishing Indian Wildlife Crisis, that India is in the midst of mass sixth extinction. वो उनको इस event को बोलती है ecocide, which we can take away as a keyword. If we look around us in India, we see कि great Indian bustards, they are threatened. They're just left 100 in numbers. पॉसिबल एंड ऑफ घड़ियाल भी हो सकता है. डेथ ऑफ रिवर्स वी आर सीइंग वाटर पोल्यूशन, रिवर पोल्यूशन, एंड इवन थ्रेट टू द गैंगेटिक डॉल्फिन्स. माइनिंग हो रही है थार डेजर्ट में. So we need a leadership which is rooted in compassion, connection, and collaboration.